So what is the difference, primary difference between the operation of cholesterol and TWT? In the previous class, we have discussed about cholesterol and TWT. Will anybody tell me what are the basic differences? TWT had discontinuities or discontinuities in the devices, which were RF section, electron gun, and collector. Also, TWT offers a wide band for a moderate power functioning. है ना? Here it is mentioned that there is a continuous interaction of electron beam and the RF field over the entire length of propagating structure of the traveling wave tube. Yes, ये भी बताया था मैंने that there is a continuous interaction of electron beam throughout the propagating structure. है ना, from electron beam generation, that is from electron gun to the collector. हाँ, there is a continuous interaction of electron beam जो कि हमारा generate किया गया था within the tube, और RF field जो कि हमने externally apply किया था. And whereas in case of cholesterol, this interaction occurs only at the gap of a relatively few resonant cavities. तो ये कैविटीज के गैप्स पर ही इंटरेक्शन मिलता है, whereas TW2 में ये इंटरेक्शन कंटिन्यूस होता है. ठीक है, so this is the first difference which is mentioned here. Along with this, if you remember few differences which I mentioned in the last class, which were like as I mentioned now also, there is a discontinuities in the structure in case of TWT, there is a discontinuity in structure or in the devices, which were electron gun, RF section, and the collector section. Whereas in case of cholesterol, there is no such discontinuity in the structure. Second thing is that the cholesterol cannot be used for wide band range, whereas TWT can be. So this finishes the difference between the TWT and cholesterol multi-cavity cholesterol operation. Okay.